Now that you've finished writing an introduction paragraph, it's time to write your body paragraph. I know this sounds weird, but think about your essay like a burger. The introduction paragraph is the top bun, and the conclusion paragraph is the bottom bun. These two paragraphs hold the essay together and make it an essay. Everything in between, though, is where the flavor comes from. The body paragraphs are the meat of the essay. It is where your research will come in and where you will begin including quotes and evidence that support your claim. A typical essay will include 2 to 3 body paragraphs, which means you will have a total of 4 to 5 paragraphs, including your introduction and conclusion. So, here are the ingredients that go into your essay burger. These are the steps to writing a great body paragraph. First, just like in an introduction paragraph, your body paragraph should begin with a topic sentence. Remember, a topic sentence tells us the main idea of the paragraph. So, in one sentence, summarize what your paragraph will be about. If we go back to my example of Eminem being cloned by the Illuminati, I decided I want my first paragraph to be about his shift in physical appearance. So my topic sentence for this paragraph might be, many have noticed a significant change in Eminem's physical appearance in the last decade, a shift from his look and style prior to 2006. Notice that I have not started quoting any sources yet. Your first sentence shouldn't slam a reader with evidence. Just introduce your reader to your first big argument. Once you have successfully introduced your main idea, it's time to support your claim. If you still have your notes from the textual evidence video we watched a while back, you can pull these out to help you. A body paragraph of a research essay should include 2 to 3 quotes. You should have already gathered 3 sources to use for this part of the essay when you completed your Works Cited page. So in your essay, you need to tell us which of the sources from this page you are currently pulling from. Here are some magic words to help you do this. Start off your sentence by saying, "in the article." Then give us the title of the article you're pulling from. In the article, 18 times The Simpsons accurately predicted the future. Oh, and don't forget to tell us the all-important author name. In the article, 18 times The Simpsons accurately predicted the future, Tom Murray states. And now you're ready to give us your quote. Once you've introduced the article and author, you can quote from the same source again later in the body paragraph by saying, later in the same article, Murray says, and give us your additional quote. However, you don't want to use the same source too many times in one essay, so make sure you're pulling in multiple sources to back up your ideas. If you're looking back at your notes from the textual evidence video, you know that you can never include a quote without analyzing it. Once you have quoted your source, you have to explain its relevance in your essay and how it relates to your claim. This is where you point back to that all-important thesis statement you wrote in your introduction paragraph. In 1 to 2 sentences, explain in your own words what this quote means and why it proves you right. You should provide a total of 2 to 3 quotes in every body paragraph. This is a careful balance. If you have less than 2 quotes in a body paragraph, then you aren't fully supporting your claim. If you have more than 3 quotes, you aren't including enough of your own thoughts and opinions on the subject matter. So make sure you have a good balance of quote and analysis. If I wanted to read someone else's thoughts on Bigfoot, I would have just looked up the article and read it. I want to hear your thoughts and your opinions on Bigfoot's existence, not someone else's. The last sentence that goes into a body paragraph is the concluding sentence. This does exactly what it sounds like. It concludes the paragraph. In this sentence, you'll summarize the point of the body paragraph and tell me once again how this proves that your claim, the thesis statement, is correct. In my Eminem example, I might conclude the paragraph by stating, Eminem had too strong a sense of self in his younger life to completely and rapidly alter his look in 2006, therefore proving that something much more sinister took place at that time in his life. With this sentence, I have briefly summarized once again my main argument for the paragraph and how it proves me right. And once you have finished, you're ready to move on to the next paragraph. Remember, you should include 2 to 3 body paragraphs in an essay that focuses on different pieces of evidence or different conspiracy theories surrounding your topic. Next week, we'll learn about your final paragraph in an essay, the conclusion. For now, just worry about getting your 2 to 3 body paragraphs written. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions. And thanks for watching.